Hi, and welcome to this unboxing video. In this video, we will present the Xsens Inertial Motion Box. The Inertial Motion Box is designed for technical education, institutes, and future engineers to experiment and innovate. The box comes with 3 Xsens MTi test kits. It can be used in a wide range of projects and applications from land to sea and in the air. The 3 devices in the Inertial Motion Box offer different capabilities and levels of precision. They can be used independent from each other for your specific needs. Let's have a look inside. The Inertial Motion Box comes packaged in a robust case, making sure your devices are well protected during transport. Upon opening the case, you'll find a leaflet with starting instructions and a QR code. By scanning these codes or visiting the links, you can access all relevant documentation for the devices, including quick start guides, data sheets, and integration manuals. Next, we find 3 IMUs. First, the MTi3 development kit with external pins and a USB port. Next, the MTi 630 development kit, also with external pins and USB ports. Lastly, we have the MTi 680G starter kit that can receive positional data. These different IMUs work with sophisticated sensor fusion technologies, and they're all equipped with advanced gyroscopes, accelerometers, and magnetometers, all providing accurate 3D orientation. On top of that, the MTi 680G also provides position and velocity data. The combination of these sensors makes the Inertial Motion Box suitable for a wide range of applications, such as robotics, drones, autonomous vehicles, and underwater vehicles. Each device comes with several accessories and cables, providing all you need to connect to the sensors and integrate into your projects. Here are the cables and accessories that come with the box. First, some cables to connect to the MTIs and the GNSS antenna, and an additional cable to receive the correction messages for the MTi 680G. The MTIs can be powered by an external power source or by connecting via the USB interface. Once powered up, you can simply start up our free software, MT Manager, and connect to the sensor. Now you can explore the different device settings and start measuring orientation and position data. And that concludes our unboxing video. If you'd like to learn more about the capabilities of the different sensors, please visit movella.com. Check out the product datasheet and have a look at our online documentation and our online knowledge base. If you'd like to receive pricing information, please contact us at sales@movella.com.